Hi everyone, in this quick demo I'll walk you through the TrueFruit yield estimation platform. This platform combines fruit size and fruit grade from AI imagery in the field with digital inputs such as volume inputs from the team per season, as well as the volume expected to come in per week. This platform allows the data to be viewed like this, up at cultivar level, but you can also deep dive the data into farm level or even block level to give the full visibility of the fruit supply in your operation. The data is collected very easily by taking photos of the fruit out in the field. This allows customers to collect up to 25 times more data while saving 90% of time out in the field. While traditional methods such as calipers can measure fruit size, this system allows customers to measure fruit size of multiple fruit per photo, but also that same photo measures the color of the fruit as well as a blemish rating. From the photos, our vision AI models then identify each fruit and extract the average fruit size as well as fruit size distribution, identify fruit that have any significant blemishes on them, such as this example shown here, and categorize the fruit into different color categories, which is then used for harvest timing and harvest decisions, one single pick or multiple picks. Over time, the system learns your own operations and is able to tailor the growth models for specific growing conditions. In this example here, the fruit growth from this season is compared to previous seasons, and right from early on we can see that the fruit is tracking smaller than previous seasons. This allows production teams early information to act on this and try and reach improved fruit size and quality at the end of the season, but it also provides data through to sales to know that small fruit is coming and they can lock in small fruit retail programs or communicate through to retailers. As you can see here, it's pretty impressive how the models are able to identify these small green fruits on green background. Whether you're managing citrus, apples, grapes, or a variety of other fruit types, TrueFruit gives you this precision and visibility into your operations, allowing all teams from production through to sales to make big data-driven decisions.